This is a story of Blessed. This dog lost his arm trying to protect the owner from thieves at night. The armed thieves with machete did this to the dog. He was rushed to the nearby vet, and the reason as to why this dog is alive today is because of God's grace. The way he was bleeding in pain, we never had hope he could make it alive. The dog lost a lot of blood, but surprisingly he made it through. This dog is really getting better every day but still having that shock of what happened to him. The owner is really fighting hard to make sure Blessed is okay. Let this message go to all people with merciless hearts on animals. Please, these animals have reasons as to why they leave. It costs nothing to be good to animals, they also need to live.